Teacher helps you read and write. She makes our future big and bright. She counts with us and sings a song. She helps us learn all day long. A farmer wakes up with the sun. He works until the day is done. He plants the seeds and waters too, and grows the food for me and you. A policeman keeps us safe and sound. He helps when trouble comes around. He wears a badge and drives a car. He keeps us safe both near and far. A postman walks from door to door with letters, cards, and so much more. He carries mail through sun or rain with a cheerful smile again. A doctor helps when we feel ill with gentle hands and caring skill. She checks our throat and heart and head and helps us rest and go to bed. A pilot flies up through the sky in big jet planes that zoom so high. She takes us places far and wide with clouds and stars along the ride. So many jobs we see each day. They help us all in every way. Clap your hands now, shout hooray for Jollypop and our song today. Black sheep, what do you bring? Soft little bundles for everything. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly blue sheep, bright as the sky, fluffy and gentle, stacked up high. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly pink sheep, candy and sweet, cozy and warm from your tiny feet. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly white sheep, shining with light, your snowy coat makes the world so bright. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly red sheep, cheerful and bold, bringing us blankets spun of gold. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly green sheep, grassy and fun, rolling and dancing under the sun. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly yellow sheep, sunny and bright, filling the meadow with golden light. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly purple sheep, dreamy and kind, leaving soft sparkles of stars behind. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly orange sheep, cozy and warm, snuggling us safely through every storm. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly rainbow sheep, magical glow, sharing your colors wherever you go. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Water park, splash so high, sliding down we zoom and fly. Jump in the pool, the fun begins. We laugh and giggle with big wide grins. Waves go up, waves come down. We float and spin and splash around. Sunny skies and water play. It's a super splashing day. Twisty slide, here we go. Round and round, then down below. Zooming fast and squealing loud. slide, we splash, we fall. Buckets tip and water pours. We rush and laugh and shout for more. Rainbow showers, splishy splash. We dash through puddles in a flash. Lazy river, drifting slow, waving as the others go. Float along with ducky boats, sailing gently as laughter floats. Jumping into water deep, we splash the lifeguard in one leap. Cannonballs and spinning dives, it's the best day of our lives. Bubble zones with foamy fun, we giggle till the day is done. Big balloons and bouncing games, we all laugh and shout our names. Dance beneath the waterfall, water sparkles, music calls. Spinning, jumping, dancing crew, the water park is dream come true. Sunset glows, it's almost night, but we're still splashing with delight. One last slide, then wave goodbye, until tomorrow when we'll fly.